Hello all, welcome to Navadasa Manam channel.
Hello friends, good day, and this is Chitra. Today in our channel we are going to prepare everyone's favorite mutton biryani. Without any delay, let's get into the video now. And these are the ingredients required for the mutton biryani preparation. To start with, I have washed and taken half kg of mutton. I have washed it slightly with turmeric powder. Let's start doing it. Take a pressure cooker. To this, add the washed mutton and roughly chopped half onion, half tomato and 2 green chilies. Half teaspoon salt as per your taste. Water as required for the mutton to be cooked well. 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder. Close the cooker and leave it for 6 to 7 whistles. Once the pressure releases, let's open and see. The mutton is cooked very well. We can use this water while preparing the biryani. So separate the mutton and the mutton soup and keep it aside. For the biryani preparation, I am adding 1.5 tablespoon of unsalted butter and 1.5 tablespoon of olive oil. Instead of olive oil, you may also use sesame oil. Following to this, add the whole spices, 2 bay leaves, 1 medium sized cinnamon stick, 2 cardamom and 3 cloves. To this, add 3 green chilies, 2 big onions thinly sliced, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder and a pinch of salt for the onion to saute quick. Saute the onions until it's slightly golden brown. Now at this stage, add 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste and saute this until its raw smell is gone. After this, add 2 big tomatoes which is finely chopped. Now let the onion and tomato get sauteed and cooked well. Once it is done, we can add the required spices for the biryani. 1 teaspoon garam masala, 2 teaspoon red chili powder and 2 teaspoon biryani masala. Give it a quick mix. To avoid the masalas from burning, just sprinkle some water and mix it once. Now I am adding 1/4 teaspoon of lime juice, 1 tablespoon fresh yogurt, salt according to your taste. We had already added salt while cooking the mutton, so please check it once and add it according to your taste. Let's now add the required water for the rice to be cooked. I have taken 1.5 cups of basmati rice and soaked it before 20 minutes. For 1 cup of rice, add 1.5 cups of water. Since I have taken 1.5 cups of rice, I am adding nearly 2.5 cups of water. Now add the cooked mutton to this. Let it come to a boil. Now add the chopped mint leaves and 1/4 cup of chopped coriander leaves. Mix it once and add the washed 1.5 cups of basmati rice which has been soaking for 20 minutes. Just strain the water and add it to it. Now once check the salt and spice level and adjust it. Close the cooker and turn the stove in between low and medium flame and leave it for just 1 whistle, or else turn off the stove after 12 minutes to avoid the rice from sticking it to the bottom. I had switched it off in 12 minutes. Now let's open and see. The biryani has come out very well. The rice has been cooked very nicely without sticking it to each other or to the bottom. That's it. We can now transfer this to a plate and serve it hot. You can have this with raita or brinjal curry. Super yummy mutton biryani is ready now. Please do try this recipe at your home and let me know your feedback in the comment section. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Navarasa Manam. Thank you.
Please like, share and subscribe to Navadasa Manam channel. Thank you.